Hello everyone. In this video, we design a network using RIP routing protocol with the following components: 4 routers, 6 switches, and 18 end hosts. So here is the some router configuration rules. Router 1 connected with 2 switches. One switch is statically configured and one switch is dynamically configured. Then one switch network. It has two network. One's network all in host is statically configured and the second switch all host is dynamically configured. Similarly, router 2 is connected with one switch is fully DHCP configured. Then router 3 one switch and fully all in host is statically configured. Then two switch is connected with router 3. One switch is statically configured and another is dynamically configured. Okay, let's try to make this network using Cisco packet tracing. This is the Cisco packet tracing software interface. Here we take at first 4 routers. We use PT-empty routers. This is the PT-empty routers. PT-empty routers has advantage than other. Here we can add as we need the port. So we add Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet network module, switch of the router, then add it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the second router, same way, turn off the router and add 1, 2, 3, 4. And sorry, this need to turn on, switch on. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So every router port is available now. Network module. Now we route them. Gigabit Ethernet 00. We make it two routing way because one network is damaged somehow, then another is worked. Another network can transfer data. If we want, we can add also network, can add also a route. But I don't need that. If you want, you can add it as your need. Now add switches. Router 0 has two switches. Router 1 has only one switches. Router 2 has also only one switches and router 3 has two switches. There is a 6 switch total. Then connect it with router Okay, configuration is complete. Now add end host. Okay, complete. Now connect it with the switches. Okay, now is complete routing using cable. Here I use gigabit Ethernet cable is copper straight through cable. This is copper straight through cable and copper cross cable. Copper cross cable connect all the routers, and copper straight through cable connect all the in device with switch and router. Okay, need I write all the IP name, all the IP address here. All the IP setup is completed. Now here we in the question we see that one for router 0, one is static and second is dynamic. So we make this switch static. So set all the IP address 5.2, 5.3 dot 4. Okay, this is dynamic, so no need. DHCP is static. This is static. So here need to set IP address. This is DHCP. Also, this is static. So need to IP set 9.2, 9.4, 9.3. Okay, now this DHCP. Okay, this is the network interface. Now try to CLI command. Okay, routing is complete. Now try to CLI code. Here is the CLI interface. No, enable big terminal, configuration terminal, then interface. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4 interface. So for 4 interface need to set IP address. Interface CIG 00, IP address 192.8.1.1, subnet mask 255, 255, 255.0. Copy it, no short, exit. Interface CIG 10, the address 168.4.1. Paste. This is the interface CIG 10, and here is the IP address. Then short, exit. Again interface CIG 30, interface IP address 192.168.6.1, then subnet mask, no short, exit. Similarly, interface CIG 20, IP address 192.168.5.1, then subnet mask, no short, exit. IP configuration is complete for 4, 1.1, 4.1, 6.1, 5.1, 6.1, 5.1, 4.1, 1.1. Okay. Then configure router 2 has 7.1, 1.2, 2.1, 7.1. Now CLI code for router 1, router 0, this router 1. Oh, enable config terminal, interface CIG 00, IP address 192.168.1.2, then subnet mask, no short, exit. Interface CIG 10, IP address 192.168.2.1. Paste. No short, exit. Interface CIG 20. IP address 192.168.7.1. Then subnet mask, no shut, exit. Okay. This router 1 IP configuration is complete. 2.1, 1.2 and 7.1. Okay, now in router 2 has, this will be 2.2, 2.2, 3.1 and 8.1. Okay, now try to configure router 2. CLI command no enable config terminal, then interface CIC 00, IP address 192.168.3.1. Then subnet masking, no shut, exit. Interface CIC 10, IP address 192.168.2.2. Then subnet mask, no shut, exit. Then interface CIC 20, IP address 192.168.8.1. Then subnet mask, no shut, exit. Router 2 configuration is complete. Here is 2.2, 8.1 and 3.1. Similarly, for router 3, CLI command, here is 3.2, 4.2, 9.1 and 10.1. Okay, now try to configure router 3. Is no enable config terminal, interface CIC 00. Here IP address 160, sorry, this IP address 192.168.3.2. Then subnet mask, no shut, date, interface CIC 10, IP address 192.168.4.2, subnet mask, no shut, exit. Then interface CIC 20, address 192.168.9.1, subnet mask, no shut, exit. Interface CIC 01, 01, sorry, not 01, interface CIC 30, CIC 30, 30, IP address 192.168.10.1. Then subnet mask, no shut, exit. Here configuration is complete in router 3, so both 4 router configuration IP set is complete. Then we want to make this router's one network is DHCP and other is static. So for this 6.1 network need to DHCP configured. Now again IP DIG sorry IP DHCP. Here is need to reserve, no need to fully DHCP. It make full DHCP. So IP DHCP full name full net 2. This is network 1. This will be network 2. So name net 2. Then network address. Network address is 192.168.6.0. They need to paste IP address for subnet mask. Default router 192.168.6.1 6.1 and exit. Okay, this DHCP configure is complete and these three end host will be static. Now this is static, so no need, but it's fully dynamic. But here I want that some IP will be reserved for static device such as printers and PCs, this which is connected with LAN cable, that need to be static IP. So for that reason I want to reserve 10 IP address will be static. So now CLI code here IP DICP excluded address 192.168.8.1 to 192.168.8.10. This 10 IP address is reserved for DHCP, sorry, static. Then IP DHCP pool network. This is network 4. IP address network address 192.168.8.0. Then paste subnet mask and default router 192.168.8.1. Then exit. Similarly, these three pieces is DHCP. So now write CLI code for these three. IP DHCP pool network 6 network 192.168.10.0. Then subnet mask default router 192.168.10.1. Then exit. Okay, this configuration DHCP configuration is complete. Now I want to use routing protocol RIP. So for the first router I try to routing protocol RIP. Here router RIP RIP need to version 2. Here is the second version of RIP. Then network address, but RIP second version has only need network address, not subnet mask. So here network address 1, 2, 3, 4 network. So 168.1.0. This I want to copy. Okay, network 1, then paste 4.0, 4.0, then paste 5.0 and 6.0, then paste it and 6.0. No, 6.0. Okay, so complete it. Here is the 1.0, 4.0, 5.0 and 6.0. 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now exit and exit and memory write. WR for memory write. So router 1 configuration is complete. So here this theory is the dynamic. So automatically get IP address DHCP. DHCP automatically get. Okay. Then laptop. Okay. This theory is, but this theory not get IP address. So manually it need to insert. So next I will do that, but at first I complete the CLI command. Enable config terminal, then need to router only routing protocol, router RIP version 2, net. It has 1.0, 2.0 and 7.0 three network. 1.0, 1.0, sorry, net is 2 type. Net 1.0, net 2.0, net 3.0. Then exit, again exit W. For this router RIP net, it has 2.0, 3.0, 8.0. 2.0 network, 3.0 network, 8, 8.0, 8.0 network. Exit, exit, WR for memory write. Finally, this router 3, router RIP version 2, then net 3.0, 3.0, 4.0, 9.0, 10.0. Okay, 3.0, 4.0, 9.0, 10.0. Hit WR. Then exit Okay, complete, but have some confusion. This rip, oh sorry, this rip not add version, but you need to add rip version again. Config terminal router rip version 2, then net 2.0, net 3.0, net 8.0. It okay. This complete this one, this one. Okay. Now static IP has many routers also has static IP. Now add them 5.2, 192, 168.5.2. No need to add 5.2, but you can add anything IP address. But this will be IPv4 address. Will not be IPv 5.1. Network address. 5.1 network. Networks IP address. 5.3. 5.1 is the network IP. 5.4. This complete, but need to configure manually. Desktop IP static 7.2. Network address 7.2. 7 dot copied 7.2, 7.1. Three 7.1. 4. Okay, that is the DHCP automatically configured. Okay, now it is complete, but it is not DHCP, but I want to make it DHCP. I want to see it work or not. IP requesting, but DHCP is not failed. So statically I provide them IP address. This is 9.1, 9.2, 9.0. I copied it. 9.0. Okay, then 9.3. 9.3, 9.1. 9.4, 9.1. Okay, now make also this series DHCP. This is very big network. You need many times to make it. Here this 3.0 is 4.0, but here I reserve some IP for static. Here DHCP start from 11, so first 10 IP is not assigned for DHCP. Okay, now try to send packet from one PC to another. Successful. Then PC 5.1 to successful. PC to this laptop to successful. At first try in same network to successful. Same network is successful. Then one network to another network, the same router. Progress. It need time more. Not the problem. First time fail it. Then successful. One network, one router, separate network. No problem, but next time it will be, I think, successful. Progress. Need time. Wait. So also successful. This PC to this PC successful. Now it is successful. Again, using different route. This router 0 to router 1 transfer. Router 0's PC 3 transfer data. Router 1's PC, laptop 1 failed. First time it will be fail, but after some time it will be successful. Wait. Now successful. You can see. Don't worry if first time it will fail because it need time to configure with each other. Successful. Now I want to simulate it here from this PC2 in network 5.0 to network 8.0 laptop 2. I want to send how it packet go. I want to simulate it. It is router set, but one router received, one PC received, and two PC is not received. Again, send acknowledgement. Now 5.0 this PC 5.2 IP address PC0 want to transfer packet to PC11 from this switch, from this PC to switch, then in router 0, this path, not use this path, this shortest path, then in switch PC11. Okay, this successfully sent packet, then sent acknowledgement. In same path. Now I want to remove this one network. This cable now I want to remove. After removing this, what happened? I want to see. This cable is removed. Then emulate from PC PC1 to this PC8. Emulate PC1 to PC8. Okay, this is the again. This is I want to remove this and want to send packet 0 to 7. Simulation on. Now it can transfer data PC0 to PC7. It's not 7. 5. Hmm. PC6 to PC3. So this ring type network, and we also can connect this PC1 to router 1 to router 3, router 2 to router 0, that make it more flexible for transferring data. Somehow two or more path is damaged, then another will transfer it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, comment and share.